Hello, everybody. Welcome to BitBrothers Crypto. Papa BitBrother here, and today we are back in the green, guys. Welcome to the channel. If your first time here, subscribe to the channel, leave your thumbs up, and please send us some message so the algorithm of the YouTube find that you are interacting with us, guys. Casquinha is not here today again. He's on holiday until probably Wednesday, I think. And then he'll be back with us as normal. So today and tomorrow, I'll be here with you guys. Okay. So, guys, what's happening today? Green, 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 green all over the place. Are we back to the bull run? Are we late? So did you buy the dip? What was your, you know, commitments these last days to crypto? And did you take the opportunity that we keep saying there was? But are we out of the sand already, or we still, can have a retrace? So we'll find out in the program today. We'll talk about that. So again, send us your message. Let us know what your thoughts are. Okay. So quickly look into the market. Okay. So guys, a lot of news going on, a lot of things. So we need to be careful this stage now, because it's danger zone now. It could be a fake out. We never know. But look at this, guys. 1,018,000,000,000. We haven't been to $1 trillion for months now, and we are back above $1 trillion. So that means it's like $100 billion went into the market in the last days. Okay. So Bitcoin today at 22,105. I think it peaked almost to 22,500. Let's actually check where the peak was, which was great to see that once again, some light at the end of the tunnel, isn't it? So, but again, this is very good news, because a lot of people come in at this stage. But are you going to be a paper hand or a diamond hand? Guys, this is the time where new people come into the market and they're flushed out, because they buy now, and in a few months maybe there's a big flush, a big sell-off, and people get scared and they sell. Okay, so high 22,430, the last, yesterday, today actually, we reached the top. Okay, so just below that, 22,107 now. In the morning today, when I switch on my computer, guys, was 22,222. Was very nice number to see. $22,222 for Bitcoin. But look at this, guys. Ethereum is going crazy. Ethereum is going crazy here. I wanted to open the chart for the Ethereum versus Bitcoin, guys. And Ethereum versus Bitcoin is picking up. Okay, so I don't have the chart here. I saw today in the morning some people talking about, and of course there was a big difference between Ethereum and Bitcoin. So means like if you had Ethereum, you're losing against Bitcoin. So now we're coming back. Ethereum is becoming really, really strong. Look at this, 28% on the 7 days. But everything in the green, once again, everything on the weekly is really, really strong. 17% on Solana, above $40. Cardano, 48 cents. It was 34 cents, guys. That's crazy how much it went up. So that means if you invested last week, you made amazing profits by now. Look at Polygon, 61%. Wow, that's insane. 90 cents again. That's crazy, 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 crazy. Okay, DAI is going up at $1 there, 13th place. Okay, Avalanche at 28%, almost 29 on a weekly. Uniswap 16%. So guys, many projects showing their strength right now. Okay, and if you've been following the channel, most of these ones here, we've been talking about to you about DCA in, and have an eye on it. Okay, remember, everything we say here, it's not financial advice, but we're always trying to recommend and tell everyone to keep an eye on the strong projects that we're looking into it. Okay, so tech dev, as always, I really like to follow his graphics. So altcoin cap, DXY, which is the dollar index, and Bitcoin. Okay, he made the graphics about all of them. Guys, remember that the dollar index, once it starts to come down, that means the dollar start to be invested in something else. Okay, so the peaks of of Bitcoin was when we have this reversal here on the DXY, and we are on the top again, about to reverse. He shows here, the strong places. He put possible confluence idea could be meaningless. In my view, consider others, invest in your own. So he always says, it's his ideas, but of course you have to do your own research, as we always say here. Basically, what it means, like, if we're here right now, that means we were here in the previous bull run, because there's a lot of confluence there. It means that a lot of things related to the previous times there was here. Okay, so we can see we had the green little ball here that he says compared to that one, and the accumulation there with the purple, and then sideways line here, which was this one in comparison. Okay, comparing to altcoins market cap and Bitcoin on its own. Okay, so that means if you check here, guys, it's a bullish trend, because if you're here, that means we can be heading up to the next kind of leg up. Not the next bull run really, but the next leg up. Okay, we can be heading up again, which is a good thing. Okay, things that to relieve everybody of this kind of pain of downtrend all the time, and steadiness. Okay, so Il Capo of Crypto, I like his post as well. Check him out. Good morning. I hope you all enjoy the weekend. What we have here for Bitcoin is basically a range. Now, the key is know if it's accumulation or redistribution. Range is small compared to the other ones. Accumulation are usually big. Funding is mostly positive. Okay. So then he said, the next thread, let's see where's the next thread is. 103. Okay, and then the next one he's put, OI building up like crazy, positions opening, and CVD increasing a lot, which means that the longs are aping very aggressively. In my opinion, this is clearly redistribution, longs trapped in the same setup we have been seeing these months, while indicators are bearish. Okay, so guys, again, this is the biggest problem of the market. Like I said, now people see a reversal trend and everybody long, and they leverage heavily into the market. Okay, so this is dangerous times. Like I said in the beginning, it could be a breakout where we steadily go up, but we could have another flush. And of course, like I said, I believe everything now is going to be like quickly flush and spike back up, because I know lots of people have buying orders now placed for below 18,000. So if you reach there, it's going to be a very quick recovery. But I think now people are like actually placing their bets are below 20,000, 19, even 20,000. I think is a very strong buying position now. So as soon as people longs are liquidated and we reach 20,000 again, we are back straight away. I believe so. Okay, speculation, like Will says. Also, if you zoom out, you can see a lot of hidden bearish divergences formed by the week 4, and meaning that the big week 5 is missing. I remain out of the market. Okay, so he's a TA, guys. Remember that he's out of the market. He's not investing. He's not planning to invest. This could be FOMO from everybody. Okay, I like to hear these guys because it gives you a better idea of when to sell. We keep talking about as well. Soon they're gonna have the Fear mainnet launch. Okay, it's gonna become proof of stake rather proof of work, POS. So we keep saying this, that it's gonna happen. The buy the rumors, sell the news. So I think now is that where people are buying the rumors, where the people are like FOMOing because it's gonna have this big change in the network. But we keep saying, guys, please make sure try to get your profits. If you just enter the market now, if you just DCA, we amazing opportunity for you to get your profits now before the release or just after the launch of the new, especially if everything goes smoothly, yeah, guys. Like they've been doing the test on the Ethereum network for the launch of the ETH 2.0. and everything's is being running smoothly. So if they actually do it, which they saying is going to be about September, so we have a month and a half there of like strong volatility, but we could make nice gains out of this. So, but just be careful there with this one, okay? So we don't have. Let's just quickly check the fear and greed index. I wanted to see where we are now. I forgot to put the guys. Don't forget to send us your. So look, we are on 20 now. Okay, we are on 20. 1 second, let me show you guys this. So we are on 20. Extreme fear, still a lot of fear going on there. We haven't changed that. That means that could still be a possibility, a good option to buy. Look at that, 22,229 now. Okay, it's going a bit crazy, guys, at the moment. Like, but look, less $6 billion came out of the market. That's how crazy things go there with the crypto, uh, market cap. So today's a bit like, okay, Casca, I need your help. So we are 20 on fear. So again, we keep saying this: buy when everybody's in fear, sell when everybody's in greed. So again, if you follow this, could be a good opportunity still to get into the market. I would say wait. Because I think there's so much leverage going on now, like we see here, tech dev and everybody else saying on Twitter about how much leverage there are now. And if you follow the big TAs, they're all going crazy about that. Okay, like how much they're leveraging and they investing is crazy, let's just see some news here that I have. Guys, I really like this. I don't know if you guys follow Zodiac, and if you believe that, but this girl's been giving like nice, strong, she's a Zodiac kind of thing. So the moon enters Aries and crosses Jupiter, very exuberant, daredevil-like energy. You may find yourself very confident and open to taking risk. Mercury opposite Pluto may mean conversations are also very tense, charged, and full of unusual honesty. Okay, so also she gives that the daily astrology, but she compares the astrology to Bitcoin, and she's been doing things quite right. It's called Maren Altman. So if you want to follow her and you believe in this stuff, I follow her. And I think there's a lot of things people believe on the lunar chart. Have you heard of that? People that follows the lunar chart to invest in Bitcoin. There's so many people following the lunar chart because they saying, the lunar change, the lunar changes, is very strong energy and also affect the global market. And I follow her, and she has some nice dates there for you. She tells you to keep an eye on some dates. It's in October. Okay, she says very strong things has been happening. It's gonna happen. She gave some dates of in May that was the big dump, and then she's like, just pay attention. She doesn't really say what's gonna happen, but she says just pay attention on these dates. So yeah, I like to follow her. So guys, Casca is not here. Thank you so much for today. There's no much else to talk about it. Please send us your question, okay? Hopefully when the market comes up, we're gonna bring new projects to you. I'm still looking to drip, okay? I'm still looking into Polydodge DAO, what's gonna happen with these projects, Base Finance, and some of other projects there. But of course now it's so risky, very, very risky. We don't even mention that and don't need to talk about that in the program because we don't want you don't know what's going on and then invest in these things. It's very, very risky anyway. So, but yeah, we're still looking to some ICOs, okay? Like I said, we had the launch of KubeCoin the other day. KubeCoin is a coin that is connected to the traveling market, and it was quite nice coming from an early investor. Okay, and soon we're gonna bring some news from you once everything starts to be more stable. Nice one, guys. Thank you so much, and see you tomorrow. Have a great week. Bye bye.